What's going on, folks? Welcome back to MSTV. Here's a build of the Universal Century HARDGRAPH FF-X7 COREFIGHTER. as we are wrapping up this build, let me be honest about it. This is the first kit that I truly struggled. So like they say in Murphy's Law, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. I probably missed like 4 parts out of this model kit. One of them is Sailor Mass's head to begin with. That's why if you noticed, the figure is wearing a helmet instead of holding it. Then another one is the pilot pedal on the cockpit. That's only a couple, to name a few. Also, in my push to install a number of kits, LEDs on this kit, I struggled fitting all those wires inside the kit. And for those who have already built this kit, you've noticed that the wings are installed the other way around. I cannot undo it anymore because the LEDs are already glued and the wires are already soldered. So I just had to push through it, continue with the build. Well, I've definitely learned a lot from this build. I can apply those things in my future builds. Also, don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions on the next gunpla kit you want me to build. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell button to be updated on future MSTV builds. This is your boy VanGrim, and I'm dropping the mic until the next upload. Goodbye. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell button to receive notifications on the new MSTV episodes. Once again, I'll see you on the next MSTV.